So this is a 6-pack of 10 LED motion sensor closet lights. And what that means is there's 10 LEDs on each one of these 6 lights, of course. Special thanks to the company for sending these out to me to make an unboxing video and show you guys. Got some information here about how exactly they work. Motion sensor and magnet, same on this side. And then the back, automatic sensor. This motion sensor closet light is auto on with 10 feet, auto off after 25 to 30 seconds of no motion detected. It'll turn on only when it's dark and when motion is detected. The motion sensing closet light is powered by 4-piece AAA batteries, not included. Well, that's good to know. Ideal lighting, the wardrobe light is brighter than other lights with 10 LEDs on each light. This provides enough light to make sure you never stumble in the dark. And easy to install with the adhesive strip and magnetic strip. No tools, screws, or nuts needed. You can stick it anywhere, wireless, battery operated. It's perfect. It's the perfect choice to use in an attic, basement, car, child's rooms, closet, cupboard, drawer, emergency supply storage room, garage, greenhouse, hutch, mailbox. Wow, mailbox, storage unit, tool shed, vanity mirror, workstation. Tons of options there. So let's pull these out. I didn't realize they took batteries like that. So what do we get in here? We get a little instruction manual for you. Oh, and then each one of these, wow, is individually packed. All right, so we're just gonna take out one of them then and see what this looks like. Okay, look at that, very nice. So there's the strip on the back it's talking about. And so that's your motion sensor. And yeah, you'd be able to either peel that off, and it looks like your batteries go in here. Let's see how this, yeah, so that slides up, and then you're able to slide in your 4 AAA batteries that are needed for this thing. You can definitely mount this anywhere you'd need. And there's even a little sticker over that. On this side somewhere, I'm guessing. So there we go. So that's very cool, very unique. That really seems to be about it. I guess I'll get some batteries in this one, and we'll see exactly how bright one of these is. Of course, you can kind of tell by that if it'd be bright enough for what you need, considering you get 6 of them inside of this box. So let's get some batteries and go set these up and see how they work. All right, and so let's pop our batteries in here real quick. So they got your little indicator. 1, 2, and they're not Duracells, but they're 3 and 4. So there we go, battery. Oh, look at that, already lighting up for us. All right, so now I'm gonna go put this in a closet. We're gonna use our coat closet, and we'll see exactly what one of these can do. Even though this is a 6-pack of these 10 LED lights, I'm just gonna show you what one would do. Of course, 6 would be much, much brighter. All right, so we've installed our closet light, and when we open our closet, look at that. Now this is just one of them. There is 6 of these identical lights in the pack here, and each one of these has 10 individual LEDs on it. Now say this light seems to stay on for about 30 seconds when it's triggered, and outside of having to just take it down every now and again to put in your new 4 AAA batteries, that would be your only maintenance for this light, but definitely puts off, this one, more than enough light to be able to see in this closet. So if you have 2 or 3 in your closet, you'll definitely be able to see.